The robotic welding cell. There are two spot welding cell. We made for Mexico customer. It is Nissan project. There are 4 assembly parts. With annual volume 165,000 sets each. Cycle time is 110 seconds per pieces. Welding station is single robot. With 2 plane rotate. With famous Nachi robot. Bosch Rexroth welding controller. Centerline welding gun, Tunker's rotate table. ABPLC control system. And PLIS safety protection system and so on. The whole welding cell were layout. Design, manufacturing, assembly. CMM, adjustment, integration by TTM, after delivery. TTM also responsible for commissioning at customer side.